Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing YouTubers and TikTokers here in Thailand. And basically, this is kind of one of those videos where, I've done a number of these in the past where I've said, hey, bear in mind, content creation is something relatively new here in Thailand. And as with most things, the law is always kind of lagging. So we don't see the practical outcomes, or I should say the practical implications of policy until sort of later. It sort of evolves over time. Reason I thought of making this video was I read a recent article from Khao English, that's khaosadenglish.com. Article is titled, Thai Police Counter Alleged Chinese Content Attacking Thailand. Quoting directly, the Thai police have responded to Chinese individuals creating content that portrays Thailand as dangerous. This comes after the Thai government concluded such content negatively impacts Chinese tourists visiting Thailand. Quoting further, the police warned that spreading false information may lead to backlash and restrictions for those who present inaccurate portrayals. Quoting further, law enforcement informs, okay, so before I get into this, there was a content creator, a woman apparently of Chinese extraction. She came here and was apparently on the street and was sort of saying, oh, this place that I'm at doesn't appear to be particularly safe for a woman or something like this. Now, I think that was my personal opinion. I think her assessment was wrong. As I've said in many other videos, Thailand has very, very low crime rates. But whatever. More to the point for purposes of this video is what I'm going to quote here, though. Quoting, law enforcement informs the woman that her online selling activities, live streaming in Thailand, violate regulations governing the work of foreigners without permission. Quoting further, despite her denial, the police are gathering evidence to proceed with legal action, including potential blacklisting. And as it noted in the article, she was in Thailand on a Thailand privilege visa. And so again, like with usual, I urge those who are watching this video, go read that article in Khao. They do a really good job. There's a lot of good detail in there. But this was a person that was on a Thailand privilege visa apparently, and they were in Thailand, they made these videos, it got noticed, and the police are building a case based on work permit violations essentially, because those in Thailand on a Thailand privilege visa, so-called elite visa, that's not a work authorized visa. So these activities, what was occurring online, are considered a violation of the work authorization. Again, I got kind of burned in comments when I talked about this in connection with YouTubers going back about 6 months ago. But again, I stand by what I said. Long term, yes, Thai immigration, Thai authorities are aware of how the online economy works, and they're also aware of their own laws regarding work authorization, and they're going to sort of apply them accordingly. Quoting further, Thai authorities caution foreign content creators against generating negative and untrue content that impacts Thailand's tourism image. They emphasize the intention to pursue legal action for offenses related to misinformation and creating content to gain likes on social media. So again, on one level, this is a work permit issue, and then on another level, there's also the issue of sort of damaging the reputation of Thailand in terms of tourism. Both of these are priorities. They're both of concern to relevant Thai authorities. So someone who's coming to Thailand, who's a content creator, it's a good idea. It's one thing to come to Thailand and just make some content, whatever. At the end of the day, free country, you can do what you want. But if you are gaining money off it or you're working, it's your livelihood, you could be straying over into, an area where you're in violation of relevant work permit laws. And then the other thing is, I guess I would just look at it like this. Maybe just think of being a gracious guest here in Thailand. And if you come here, maybe not get off on sort of a rant or something about Thailand problems and things of this nature, trying to make Thailand look bad. Just generally speaking, I would say that's not a particularly good idea.